Now to the wildfires raging in California. A massive fire still burning out of control in wine country this afternoon, while several in the Los Angeles area continue threatening homes there. ABC's Marcy Gonzalez is in Santa Clarita, California, where the intense firefight is underway.
Yet another wildfire igniting in Southern California. The Sade fire now burning in San Diego County. People given just minutes to evacuate.
Please don't delay and get out of that area.
North of Los Angeles, several fires raging out of control. The largest, the Tick fire, scorching more than 4,000 acres, destroying homes and threatening thousands more.
I've never seen anything this bad.
Flames jumping this freeway overnight. Firefighters struggling to get an upper hand as powerful Santa Ana winds with gusts up to 70 miles an hour erratically spread burning embers.
When we saw it, it's surreal.
And in Northern California, a relentless battle against the massive Kincaid fire.
Also, possible power lines down in the area.
We're now learning the more than 21,000-acre inferno, which destroyed at least 49 homes, started beneath a power transmission tower left activated by the utility company PG&E, despite widespread preemptive blackouts ahead of the extreme fire danger.
We became aware of a transmission level outage in the area of the fire.
And more outages could be on the way because while the powerful winds you can really see blowing through what's left of the second floor of this home are expected to calm down in this area later today, Northern California is bracing for its strongest wind event in years starting this weekend. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC News, Santa Clarita, California.